Initiate the tool using the menu, ribbon, or command. The Comprehensive Writer dialog appears. This dialog can serve as a complete word processor inside your CAD engine. There are dozens of easy-to-use configuration options that allow you to set up the style of results you want. You have complete control over the wording used in each section, including support for multiple types of curve calls. Take line segments for example. In this template, the bearing, distance, and point description fields are already in place. You can easily insert fields by typing them into the template, or simply choose from the list and click the Insert button. There are lots of fields and we regularly add others at users' requests. Dozens of other commonly used properties can be set as desired using the property grid. You can save the changes as defaults on this machine, or export them for sharing with other team members. You can set up different style settings for different clients' requirements. When configuration is complete, you may never have to visit this section again unless your requirements change. You can select a loose collection of geometry like lines and arcs, along with a starting point and direction, and the tool will build the boundary automatically. A more popular approach is a polyline in the drawing, that ties together all the segments, and controls the direction. At this point the dialog disappears, allowing you to easily select the geometry. First you must select the closed polyline boundary that makes up the lot you are describing. Then you can optionally select another open polyline that represents the commencement path. The dialog reappears and displays the complete legal description based on the template strings you have assigned. The program traverses the calls from the legal description as if you had re-entered them to provide accurate closure information. When you are satisfied with the results, you can easily save the content to a file, place it into the CAD drawing as an indexed object, or with one click send it to Microsoft Word. When this tool is acquired as part of our MapWorks or C3D Tools packages, you can also reference an alignment to include stations and offsets, or you can process one or more defined parcels to make quick work of lots in a subdivision.